Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the force sync inside the listings feature that will help you to publish your new data faster than usual. Force sync lets you manually prioritize stuck or delayed business listings updates across supported publishers. You can use this when the standard syncing takes too long or appears stalled. This is ideal for agencies that are managing time-sensitive updates across many locations. So Force Sync is really an escalation tool inside of listings. It instructs the listings engine to prioritize publishing your latest location data to connected directories. Rather than waiting for a routine sync cycle, Force Sync flags the entity for expedited processing, and in some cases also a specific publisher. While it improves priority, final timings still depend on the publisher's systems and policies. So some of the key benefits include faster processing time, meaning it prioritizes pending updates, which usually would take longer through normal cycles. Second, it gives you greater control, which means it lets authorized users escalate changes on demand. And thirdly, it reduces the delays. It helps move stuck or slow updates through publishers' queues. Yext is available at the entity level for all the publishers and at the publisher level, which means single publisher at the entity. And overall is available at the entity level only, and that for all publishers. So some prerequisites are you have to have an active subscription within the listings inside the CRM, with either Yext or overall connected. Your location has to have valid required profile fields, such as the business name, address, phone number, opening hours, and the user has to have sufficient permission to do this action. So this can be an admin or a user that has the role with listings right access. Just to set the expectations right as well, Force Sync prioritizes updates, but does not guarantee exact publish times. And then we have some publisher or policy issues may be going on, for example, suspensions or missing required fields, which may prevent successful publishing even after you used this particular feature. So let's talk about the entity level Force Sync first. This is best when multiple publisher profiles for the same location need to be reprioritized, and that all together. This is very useful after broad data changes like hours, categories, or descriptions. This applies for all the connected publishers for the specific entity. It's supported in Yext and overall, and it's ideal for urgent and multi-publisher updates. For example, holiday hours or address corrections. So to turn this on, go to Reputation on the left, click on Listings at the top. Then here you can see the Request Force Sync button. So as I said, for the Yext entities, Force Sync is available on the entity level for all publishers, as well as the individual publisher level. Now let's talk about the publisher level Force Sync. When only a single directory is lagging behind, a publisher level Force Sync targets that specific channel to minimize unnecessary pushes. This is available only with Yext at the publisher level. Use this when only one publisher, for example Bing or Apple Maps, is out of sync, whilst the others are still up to date. Make sure to keep the scope minimal and targeted. Let's talk about some limitation and to set expectations right. Please note there's no guarantee of immediate publishing, and this feature also does not resolve any policy issues. For example, if your Google profile is suspended, this will not fix it. This also may not bypass any required fields, such as incomplete NAP, categories, or mandatory attributes can block the publishing. Let's talk about concurrent operations. So if a sync is already running or a publisher is under maintenance, the update may then queue until the system is available. When it comes to bulk or multi-entity, the Force Sync is initiated from the entity level, and bulk actions may be limited by your plan and user interface controls. So once you're in the entity level and you click Force Sync, you will see this pop-up coming up, which asks you again if you want to sync with all publishers. Simply click Force Sync. Now, if you click Force Sync on the publisher level, you will see this window popping up. It will ask you to link with the individual directory. While the updates are being requested with the directories, you can stay in touch with your clients and communicate what is going on in the backend. For this, please check the entity history or the audit logs. Use the timestamps to correlate Force Sync with subsequent publisher status changes. If a publisher returns an error or remains unchanged for an extended period, then just proceed to troubleshooting. Make sure to verify the required data such as the business name, phone number, email address, and so on. Then go ahead and check for publisher policy issues. Look for suspensions, restrictions, or duplicate categories. These must be resolved in the publisher's system. Also make sure to resolve the pending suggestions. If using listings or suggestions, accept or reject relevant changes to prevent reversion or conflicts. Next up, make sure to reconnect relevant publishers. For example, Google My Business, Facebook, and so on, if the token has expired. And lastly, escalate via the engine docs, which is Yext or Uber All, or contact support if publisher error persists after multiple tries. If you want to change data again, you have to resync again, but you cannot undo the actual force sync that has already happened. And that's it already. I hope you like this feature that will help you to update your data across the internet a lot faster. I hope you like this feature, and be sure to check out all of our free snapshots videos, white label videos, review snapshots, support snapshots, courses, and much more linked in the description below. See you over there.